Do you feel as a parent that you're constantly doing your best, but yet you feel constantly guilty that it's just not enough? You need to understand the difference between quantity time versus quality time. And in this video, I'm going to explain that difference and how you can use quality time to build meaningful connection with your children. So what is quantity time? It's the amount of time that you spend with your children, which is often way too much, to the point that you aren't meeting your own needs. We're also busy doing things. We work all day, and even if we have help, we're still overstretched. I bet you're always organizing food. I certainly am. And that's buying food and making food and getting kids to eat the food and cleaning up after the food. And then there's getting them bathed and dressed and getting them to school and signing them up for activities and getting them to and from their activities. Not to mention the homework and the appointments and the shopping for them and what they need and getting them to their play dates and their birthday parties and driving them around. No matter how much help you have, you're still ultimately responsible for all the busy organization of daily life with kids. And in this modern world with so many demands, we all end up just doing more and more. We get lost in the busyness, and we don't realize that even though we're getting lots of quantity time with our children, we're not getting any quality time, sometimes nothing at all. So what's this quality time? Well, it's just a few minutes of your undivided attention. Quality time is about being with your child, fully focused. Research shows that quality time is crucial for fostering healthy relationships and promoting positive child development. That's positive outcomes. So how do you use quality time to build this connection? All you need to do is stop, pause, and focus, and it doesn't need to be for long. A few minutes is absolutely fine. You give your child your full attention and do whatever it is they want to do. Ideally, it should be consistent, it should be daily, and you need to focus 100% uninterrupted. But it's also totally okay to commit to a longer period of time, every second day or even once a week. It all depends on your life and what you can manage and what works best for you. So stop for a few minutes, close your laptop, silence your phone, and hide it. Research shows that the wrong message is sent even if you keep your silenced phone on the table upside down. Your children know the difference between 100% attention from an involved parent and one who is distracted, or at least potentially distracted from the phone. That is one-on-one quality time, where you carve out moments of separate, undisturbed time to spend with your child, or each child if you have one-on-one, just the two of you. You can give each child some quality time with you every day, or give each child a special day of the week, or take each child in turn. Whatever works for you is okay. In this time, look them in the eye, ask them how they're doing, and give them your full focused attention. Tell them, this is our special quality time. What would you like to do with it? You can tell them exactly how much time they have. You can say, Mommy has 10 minutes. Even if you use a timer, then do whatever it is they want to do for those 10 minutes, focusing wholly on them. And that is the unstructured version of quality time. But quality time can also be structured. For example, it's totally okay to get your kids involved in family chores. Cooking together, clearing up together, hanging out the washing, folding the washing. These can all be companionable tasks that are wonderful opportunities for one-on-one time. Making this time creates a deep and meaningful bond with your child, one that will hold and sustain you both through the many difficult times. Then there's group quality time. You do also need to find time to spend as a family together with all your kids and your partner. Again, it doesn't need to be long and it doesn't need to be every day, but it should be regular and consistent. I'd say no less than twice a week. A family dinner, a family game, a family ritual, these are all great ways to have family quality time. And if you can't manage twice a week, then manage once a week or whatever you can. It was massively relieving for me when I researched this topic and I found out that a few minutes a day is all that's required, and blocks of one-on-one time whenever I can manage it. But sometimes I miss even the few minutes, and it's at those times that I begin to feel overwhelmed and isolated. So I know that as a parent, I truly need these moments of connection. And research into this topic has found that parents report that playing with their children brings them the most joy and happiness in their lives. So do it for you. Carve out little blocks of quality time for each of your children. It recharges you as a person and as a parent, and it's so good for them. These little moments bring you joy and create the precious memory that you and your child will carry with them forever.